how to fix the issue where your Amazon Echo Dot is not connecting to your Bluetooth. So if you're trying to pair your iPhone or another device with your Amazon Echo and it's not connecting, I'm going to show you a couple of ways we can go and fix this issue. Now, the very first step is to go and open up the App Store on your phone. Using the search box, we need to go and search for the word Alexa. Now click on this top one here, which is Amazon Alexa, and then click on the Get button to go and install this to your device. Once it's finished installing, open up the application and you should get a Bluetooth notification pop-up. Now it's really important that you select Allow, and then you'll be prompted to go and create an Amazon account. So if you already have one of these, you can simply sign in, otherwise you can go and create a free account. Now, once you're signed into the app, it should look something similar to this. Now, all you need to do is click on the plus icon in the top right hand side. You can then go and select device, and you need to go and select the device that you want to add. So in this case, it's going to be Amazon Echo, and then go and click on this top option underneath speakers. You can now follow the steps on the screen to go and pair your Amazon Dot. Now, if it's not working, you need to ensure that your Amazon Dot is in pairing mode. So to go and do that, we just need to hold down on this circular icon on your Amazon Dot, and you should get a notification saying that the device is in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, you can simply head back over to your app. You can press try again to go and search for devices, and after that, you should be able to find your device and go and connect to it directly in the app. Now, if it's still not working, you may need to go in, deregister the device, and then re-register it. Now, you can do this by clicking on these three horizontal lines in the bottom navigation. You can then click on Settings, select Device Settings, go and select your Echo Dot, click on Status, scroll down to the bottom and it should say Registered to, and you'll have this button to go and deregister. Click on this, and then just press Deregister, and then you can just follow the steps again to go and reconnect your device. So you can press the plus icon in the top right hand side, and then go through the steps on the screen to reconnect your Amazon Echo Dot.